this presentation, I'll share how you can customise SIMS Primary to record any bespoke items of data that your school, MAT or local authority may require. You can look for user-defined fields using the menu search, or it's there under the System Manager menu. You can search for any existing user-defined fields that are already in the system, or click to add a new one. Adding the user-defined field is very straightforward. It needs a name and a field type. The field type determines the type of data you can enter. For example, a number type expects only a numerical entry in the field and allows you to set the minimum and maximum values. A lookup field, meanwhile, allows you to define a list of accepted values. So I'm going to set up a user-defined field for library group and give that a field type of lookup. And this then changes to require allowed values, and you simply add the values that you want to put in there. You can add user-defined fields to any person or organisation screen, so applications, school details, pupil records, staff records, etc. So I'm going to add this field to the pupil record. You can also decide which section of the record you want to add the field to, and you can add it to any section within the record, or there is a specific section for user-defined fields if you want to put them all in there. So I'm going to add this one to the additional section. Now the permissions for your user-defined field will take on the permissions for that field specifically. So if you put it into the medical section, then it will take on the permissions of every other field within the medical section. So I'm going to save that user-defined field, and then we'll go through to the pupil record and open up and have a look. So let's find pupil record, open one up, and within the additional panel, here are some user-defined fields that were already there, and there's the user-defined field that I've just entered for library group with the lookup values in there. So the new user-defined field appears immediately within the pupil record, and whatever panel you put them in, they're separated by a dotted line so that you can distinguish them from those that are added by Capita itself. So it makes SIMS Primary very flexible to record whatever data you need to for your particular circumstances.